Assalamu alaikum. This is Ghulam Mustafa, and so this today's video is about mid-exam. That although we have covered 4 chapters in classes, and we have concluded 4 chapters in detail. Okay, so every aspect of those topics we have covered. So if you understand those topics and you have practiced on those questions, so I hope so that will be easy for you to attempt these questions. Although in mid exam there will be no um, theoretical means numerical questions that you have to solve in detail. Okay, so it is based on MCQs. So for that you can just check any website. See, I have just find this very useful website where you have some statistics questions. See, this is awazinkilab.com. See, here you can find these basic statistics MCQs. So it will be in that particular type, and you have to find you have to choose just the correct answer. There will be 50 MCQs. Every MCQ will carry only 1 mark, and the questions will be like this. Like, suppose if x is 4 and the distribution 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the sum of square deviation. Okay, sum of square deviation of x will be. So sum of square deviation, as all of you know, that is what we call variance. If x is 4 and distribution is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the sum of square deviation from the x will be what? 10. Okay, that you can find the variance over here. See, here we have a contractor employs 20 male, 15 female, and 5 children in the factory. Male wages are 10, female are 20. Okay, these are different questions, difficult, but see, such questions we have already solved. See, we have given this ungrouped data. You have to find the range. So the range is easy. You can just find the maximum and minimum value. Maximum value is 350, minimum value is 280. So the difference is 70. Okay, so that you have to choose the correct option. If a distribution has 2 modes, then the distribution is called bimodal. We also explain this. Harmonic mean of any 2 variables, it will be what? 2ab divided by a plus b. Okay, so that's the formula. Or check the question, which of the following measure of average is affected by extreme value? So all of you know that is arithmetic mean. See, so such type of questions I'm going to add in the mid exam. Now this is about geometric. These are all questions about measure of central tendencies. Like this one, data must be arranged either in ascending or descending order if someone want to compute the mode median, because in mode we don't need any arrangement. In harmonic mean, in geometric mean, we don't need any sort of arrangement. We only need arrangement in median. Similarly, the second percentile Q2, D5 and P50 is equal to what? Median. That's the central value. Dash is measured on the average, which can have more than one value, means the most frequently occurring value is considered mode. So see, only the statements changed. So see, this is how we can find the answer. So you have to choose only one correct answer. See, again, this is find the median of the following. So you don't need to find. See, just arrange the data. It is already arranged. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 observation. 3 on the left side, 3 on the right side. The central value is 280. So that is the median value. Okay, so such type of questions will be in your final exam. Okay, if the mean of a constant b is what? B. See, this is these type of questions I have added. Now look, this is about kurtosis, skewness, and kurtosis beta 2, m4, m2 divided by is less than 3. See, this beta 2 is simply beta 2 is less than 3. We call it what? Platykurtic. The degree of peakness is called kurtosis, because see, quartile deviation of skewness lies between -1 and +1. Now look, if the third moment of mean is 0, then the distribution is what? Symmetric. So these are the what is coefficient of variation is used to consistency and check the consistent performance. So these are the question. The variance of constant, I have shown you variance of a is equal to 0. Variance of 2x plus 3. So see, I told you this 2 will come out. 4 variance of x will be the answer. So these are the properties of variance. Now suppose 40 observation, the variance is 50. If all observations are increased by 20, okay, simply 20 all observations. So see, there will be no change on the variance. It's exactly the same thing. Okay, the variance of 5 number is 10 if each number is divided by 2. If each number is divided by 2, so it will be what? If this is 10, so that will be 1 by 4. So 10 divided by 4 is equal to this. Standard deviation is always dash than the mean deviation, greater than. Okay, the measure of dispersion can never be negative. It will always be positive, just like variance. And so this is lack of symmetry is called skewness. If the right tail is longer than the left tail, so we call it positively skewed. These are the questions for measure of dispersion. So such type of questions I'm going to add in your mid exam. Okay, I hope so. This is enough.